When you think of companies like Facebook, Twitter and YouTube, you probably think of them as ways to stay connected with friends and family. But they are also now very important tools for businesses. People all around the world are getting paid to tweet, follow, comment and share on behalf of businesses, with companies paying a lot of money to help manage their social media accounts. The massive growth of social media in the last few years has led to the development of a whole new industry called social media managers. They are mostly just regular people who get hired on a part-time basis from home to manage a business's Facebook, Twitter and YouTube accounts. We have been speaking to some of them today.
Doing social media jobs is just great. It's honestly the perfect way for me to make a living because I'm always on social media sites anyway, so now I'm making money from it. So yeah, that's perfect for me. Most of my jobs are sort of helping businesses get set up online. So setting up their Facebook, their YouTube, their Twitter accounts, and just linking all those together. But I get to connect with a lot of really cool and really interesting people all day long, and I can work whenever I want and from wherever I want.
I've been doing social media management for a couple of years now, and I work with about 4 or 5 clients at a time, helping them to reply to comments and direct messages or even posting their promotional content. I've never had any formal marketing training, but the work is mainly common sense, and if you know how to use the major social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and even YouTube, then you're really well on your way already. And the best advice I would give to anyone looking to get into this business is don't be intimidated. If I can do it, anyone can do it.
Whole communities have been created to service this market, and paidsocialmediajobs.com has been at the forefront from the very beginning. Kate joins us to explain more.
Thanks, Richard. The social media job market is really heating up now and has created hundreds of thousands of part-time and full-time jobs. Paidsocialmediajobs.com was one of the first companies to enter this space, and in the last 4 years, we have helped over 50,000 people start a new career as a social media manager. We provide full training so candidates don't need any previous experience, and there is such a huge demand for this type of work from employers all around the world that most people are able to start their first paid job in less than a week. If you love using social media sites and are looking for a part-time job you can do from home, a career in social media management may be exactly what you're looking for.
Industry figures show that the average salary for a full-time social media manager is $61,000 and that starting part-time wages are $20 to $30 per hour. With the importance of social media for business only expected to rise in the coming years, this is just the beginning.